You need to go up here at the top to the blue. Then you need to find our classroom page. And then click where it says Zoom, blue circle. Press Zoom. Tyler, follow directions. Sign out. Sign out. Wow. Press Zoom. Then press the Zoom letters. Yep. Press the Zoom letters. All right, you need the passcode is Van X. And X. Yep. Okay. Press OK, Kaylee. Okay. Okay, and then we want to make sure video.
So we don't have to undo.
And then, all right. Hold on. Tyler, dude, you have calm down. Hi, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Thank you for being patient. 1 second. See? You can see? You can see. Being tested. Good. And everybody. Make sure you're muted. Perfect. You're good to go. Then, swallow and let it work. Join a meeting. Okay, hold on. Hello again, friends. Hold on 1 second. Okay, you want to ID. 843. Oh. 720. 1. 8791. And passes. And there's not wrong. How do you usually get on Zoom, Mike?
I don't know.
You don't know. How do you usually do it? All right, girls. We're gonna have to figure this out later, okay? So you guys, you three are fine. We're going to close yours, okay? You can take your headphones off. So you two can just watch me, okay? And we'll figure your stuff out later, okay? Okay. All right, hi friends, can we all wave? Hi, thank you for being patient. As you can see, there are some of your friends that are in the classroom here with me. And so you might see their eyes wander to me, or you might see me wander to them. So we just have to be super patient, okay? All righty. All right, if you don't have paper and pencil, go ahead and grab paper and pencil and then give me a thumbs up. You guys can use your whiteboards, your little. Let's see who is ready. Who's ready? Look at all the thumbs up. Perfect. Daniel, what is all that you got? Doesn't look like paper and pencil. Zoom is not being my friend today. Is it coming? That's all right. I'll just use this computer in front of me. Oh, there it is. Oh no, I see myself double. Hold on. Sorry. Okay, let's not do that ever again.
Never do that again.
Sorry, guys. Are you awake now? You should be awake now. Oh gosh, sorry. So sorry, so sorry. Okay. All right, guys. Do you see our word problem? Give me a thumbs up if you see our word problem. Thank you. Thank you. I'm getting fancy over here with the two screens. All righty. So you should have your paper and pencil. And I'm going to read it for you. Okay. 9 children are playing outside. 1 child is on the swings and the rest are playing tag. How many are playing tag? All right, so let's go over that again. 9 students are playing outside. 1 of them is on the swings and the rest are playing tag. So we want to know how many children are playing tag. So let's draw a picture. You can go ahead and get started. You don't have to wait for me to draw your picture. So we know that there are 9 students, or 9 kids playing outside. Daniel, are you drawing this? Okay, so there's 9 students or kids playing outside, and how many of them are on the swings? How many did it say?
1.
Let me see your fingers. Yeah, you two are good. You guys use your camera. You two are good, but you guys remember to just use your camera. There's 1. So we've got our 9, right? And we're gonna cross out 1 because that friend is on the swings. And we want to know how many are playing tag. So look at your picture. How many are playing tag then? Touch your nose if you know. How many are playing tag if you're looking at that picture? Amia, can you help us out? How many friends are playing tag?
8.
Ooh, good job. 8. All right, I'm going to show you my picture now. Okay, so I drew my 9. Right, we drew our 9 kiddos. I did 5 and then 6, 7, 8, 9. And we said 1 of them was on the swing. So I went, scratch that 1 out. So that means 5, 6, 7, 8 are playing tag. All right, so help me out. What was our hole? Touch your nose if you know. What was our hole? Aaliyah, what was our hole?
9.
9, thank you. And what was our other part? Here's our, we have 9, that was our hole. We ended up with 8. How many did we cross out? How many was it that we crossed out? Show me with those fingers. Good, yeah, we just crossed out this one little guy because that was the one guy on the swings, right? Perfect. So let's make a subtraction sentence. Remember, with subtraction, we start with our whole. So show me with those fingers. What is the wrong mouse I'm trying to use? Hold on. Show me with your fingers. How many did we start out with? How many friends were playing? Yep. Thank you, Kylie. Thank you, Kaylee. We started with 9 because that's our whole. How many did we take away? How many did we cross out? How many did we cross out? Yes, Sean, we crossed out 1. And how many were we left with that were playing tag? Excellent. I see 1, 2. Look at all those people. Look at them all. How many were we left with? Yep, we were left with 8 friends. So how many were playing tag? Remind me again. Look at your number sentence. There we go. 8 were playing Tag. There, now you can see it better. Daniel, are you writing? I think I'm gonna get some points. All right. I'm giving points to my friends who were participating. There's Sahan. Hello. All right, give me a thumbs up when you are ready to move on. Alexandria is showing me that she's ready. Gabrielle and Jacob are still working, which is totally fine. Caden's ready. Mia's ready. All righty. Oh, what is Lisa? Actually, no. I will not. All righty. Give me a thumbs up if you thought that was pretty easy peasy. Well, guess what? If you think that's easy peasy, then you're gonna have no problem with today's activity. All right, so you need a fresh sheet of paper, or if you have room on the one you just did, that's fine. If you wrote really big, make sure you have a new sheet of paper so that you have space. All right. So I'm gonna give us a number sentence, okay? Our number sentence you can write on your paper is 7 minus 0 equals blank. Go ahead and write that at the top of your space. All right, now normally I would just tell you, go ahead, draw your picture. But I want to make sure you draw it in a particular way. So watch how I do this. We're going to make sure that we do groups of 5 because that just helps us count better. So we're going to make, because we need 7, right? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, I've got my 5. I'm going to leave a little space. 6, 7. Because I want to do groups of 5 so I have some help. And then we can double check that we have 7 and we're going to count them. 5, 6, 7. Double check that you have 7. Give me a thumbs up. Actually, let me see your paper when you have your picture drawn. I like to see your work. Excellent. Good job. Daniel, where's your paper? Charmaine, you have your paper? All right. So we have 7. How many is it telling us to take away? Show me with your hand. How many do we? Yep, a big old whopping 0. So if we have 7 and we don't take anything away, what do we still have? What do we still have? Kaden, what do we still have? 7. 7. We still have 7. Kaylee, what you coming with? We still have 7. All right. So 7 minus 0, you still got 7. Okay. Now let's do another one. That easy enough, right? Let's this time do 8 minus 0. All right, I want you to go ahead and try to draw your picture on your own, but remember, let's do groups of 5. So 5, a little space, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm gonna draw my picture. We said we need 8, so we're gonna do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a little space, 6, 7, 8. So it should look like this. 5 and 3 more gives us 8, right? All right, how many should we be crossing out? It says 8. We have our 8. How many do we take away? 0. So how many do we still have? Yes, 8. 8 minus 0 equals 8. All right, let's do a different one. This time, we're not going to take away 0. So this time, we're going to go back to our 7, and we're going to do 7 minus 1. I want you to go ahead and draw your picture, your 5 group of 7. So remember, 5, some space, 6, 7. Draw your 7. You can turn the page. Is that what you said? You don't have enough space? Was that Tyler? All right, I'm going to draw my picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a little space, 6, 7. Does yours look like this? Okay. How many does it say for us to take away? Show me with those fingers. How many are we supposed to take away? Okay, well, here's the thing. We've got 5 here and 2 here. We don't want to mess with this 5. It's too pretty. Look, it's so pretty. We don't want to mess with it. So we're going to take away from over here. How many are we taking away? Yes, so over here, we're going to cross out just 1. Crossing out just 1. And look, friends, when we go to find the answer, we don't even have to go 1, 2, 3. We know that this is how many? How many is this? We know it's 5. 5, 6. So what's 7 minus 1? 6, friends. 7 minus 1 equals 6. All right, so now we're going to do that. We're going to use that 8 like we did before when we used 8 minus 0. We're going to erase and we're going to go back and we're going to do 8 minus 1 this time. And then you can also go ahead and draw that picture. Remember, we're drawing our picture using a 5 group. All right, let me see your pictures. You gotta draw your picture, Lauren. Let me see your pictures when you're ready. We're doing 8 minus 1. You gotta draw your 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you, Gabrielle. Thank you, Jacob. Thank you guys for all showing me your work. Thank you, Deslin and Aaliyah. All right, how many are we taking away? It says 8 minus. My little Zoomy friends, how many? Yep, I see you. 1. So let's remember, this 5 group is so pretty. We don't want to mess it up. It's so nice and neat. So we want to come down here and take 1 away. And 1. And since we left this all pretty and together, it's going to help us find our answer. 5, 6, 7. So what's 8 minus 1? Excellent. All right, so let's talk about, we did 8 minus 0 equals 8. Okay, so talk to me about this. If we start with one number and it's telling us to take away a 0, does anything change? No, because we're still going to end up with 8. So if our whole is 8 and it's telling you to take away nothing, well, then nothing changes. Stays the same and your whole is still 8. Now, when we take away 1, when we take away 1, what do you notice when we've been taking away 1? We've just been, what do we notice? So 8 minus, thank you. 8 minus 1 is 7, and we said 7 minus 1 was 6. So if we have like a number line in front of us, we're just hopping back 1 more, right? So if we take away 1, that's like pretend you have 8 cookies in front of you. Your 8 cookies. And I take away 1. you're going to be left with 7. So we're just hopping back to the number in front of it. So here's our number line. We hopped from 8, took away 1. We just did one little hop from 8 to 7. Just one number different. All right, I'm going to give another round of points. That's not what I want. I want this. And I want this. All right, thank you to my friends who were participating and going along with me and showing your work when I asked you to. Okay, so there's your points, and then, oh, you guys see it twice, don't you? There. Okay, there were your points. We can stop sharing. Oh, we weren't sharing to begin with. Okay, so let's talk about our work for today. All right, you will go, I'm gonna get set up first. Okay, from our classroom, you will go to our class schedule. Here's our schedule. Remember, we were not here yesterday. I bet you were sleeping in, relaxing. Hopefully you were. That's what I was doing. Just kidding, I had to work. All right, there's a school building right here. So that's why it's on top of it, because we did not have school. It says closed. So today is Tuesday. We just did math. So now we have to do lesson 33 problem set. We click on it. And we wait. Don't do it, Tyler. Just watch. We wait and we wait and we wait. Today I'll be Sean. I'll press continue. Oh my gosh, Amia, we didn't even need your magical powers today. Look how fast it was. It decided to give you a break with the magical powers. Okay, so here's our work. Here's our lesson that we can watch as a review. Then we have some directions. Okay, make sure that you're drawing a picture if it tells you to draw a picture. Okay, don't just fill in the answer. If it says draw a picture, that's what we need you to do, okay? So we're subtracting 1 and 0. So remember, if you're subtracting 0, your whole doesn't change. If you're subtracting 1, you're just gonna hop one less on your number bond. So it's just one number less. So you have this page and this page, and that's it, all finished. There's Miss Snow saying all finished. Okay, and so after you finish your math, you have lunch, and then I'll see everybody back again at 12, okay? 12 o'clock. Yes, ma'am, Amia?
My birthday is tomorrow.
I know. Are you so excited? Do you have plans to celebrate? Your birthday is tomorrow, and Sahan's birthday is the next day. So exciting. Do you have plans to celebrate tomorrow, Amia? Or are you just gonna hang with your family?
I'm having a sleepover at a hotel.
Oh my gosh, that's so fun. I hope you have such a good time. Yes, Alexandria?
Unmute my audio. All plus yes. Tomorrow. Circle space tab.
What did you say, Alexandria?
Mute my audio. Press circle space activate. Unmute. Unmute my audio. All plus Press the space to activate. Mute. My audio. My brother's birthday tomorrow.
Alexandria, is somebody behind? Is somebody nearby you talking?
Tomorrow.
It's really loud. I can't hear you. And I don't see that anybody else is unmuted. You want to try again? Make sure it's real quiet, okay?
Mute. The Zoom is acting up. Press central plus space to activate. The Zoom is acting up.
Oh no.
I think it's
Okay, well, I'm actually gonna call your mom or dad in just a little bit because I know that they called the school, so we'll try to figure it out, okay? Okay. Yes, Jacob?
You want to see that came in the mail today for me?
Do I want to what?
You want to see that came into the mail for me today?
Sure, what'd you get? Cool. Is that part of your, wait. Is that part of Halloween costume? No, just for fun? Oh, cool. Just keeps go. Is that a flashlight? Oh, and a cool. Are you going camping? No? Looks like you could be ready for camping. I thought I saw you guys. I'll answer your questions in real life, okay? All right, friends. Let's go ahead and wave goodbye. And remember, I'll see you at 12 o'clock for reading, okay? Bye, guys.